true foundations of every strong relationship. Good morning, respected Principal, Reverend Father Toby, Vice Principals, Reverend Father Niall, and Father Jittu, brother, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we the students of Class 6C are here to present an assembly on healthy relationship. A healthy relationship is the one where people care for, respect, and understand each other. It is built on trust, love, and good communication. Before going deep into the topic, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty. I invite the school choir for the prayer.
A reading from the letter of St. Paul to Corinthians, chapter 13, verses 4 to 7. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. This is the word of the Lord. Now, I invite Anthony to share the thought.
A healthy relationship is not about perfect people, but about two people who respect each other's differences and belong together. I repeat, a healthy relationship is not about perfect people, but about two people who respect each other's differences and belong together.
Healthy relationship is the one where both people feel valued, respected, and understood. It's not just about love or affection, but also about trust, honesty, communication, and mutual support. Healthy relationship exists between friends, family members, partners, and classmates. Respecting boundaries and appreciating each other's individuality also gives a relationship balance and peaceful. Now I invite my friends to speak more about the key elements of a healthy relationship. Trust, believing in each other and keeping promises strengthens the bond. Respect, accepting one another's opinions, feelings, and boundaries shows maturity. Communication, open and honest conversation prevent misunderstanding and build closeness. Support, helping each other in times of need, encouraging personal growth. Equality, both people share responsibilities and make decisions together. Forgiveness, everyone is trusted, forgiving and moving forward keeps relationship peaceful.
Benefits of a healthy relationship. It promotes emotional well-being and happiness, reduces stress and feelings of loneliness, encourages positive thinking and confidence. It helps individuals grow personally and spiritually.
A happy relationship is not about being perfect, it's about being real, caring for each other and growing together in love, faith, and respect. When we care and communicate honestly, everyone becomes stronger and more beautiful. Now I invite Ma'am Gracie to speak on today's thought.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. Man is a social animal. Family is the smallest unit of it. Every individual belongs to different families. We depend on each other for wide variety of needs and needs. Each interdependence lies on three main pillars and understanding. So dear friends, let us inculcate them in our lives. Now let us appreciate 6C family members and its head Sir Roby for selecting such a relevant topic for all generations. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead. Give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am and father, for your valuable words.